Hi, everyone. Today is August 20th, 2021, and I'm coming to you with an update for Tronmoon.space, and this is version 2, and it's at rocket.tronmoon.space. As you can recall, with this smart contract, they added some features, primarily the 35% auto redeposit and their dynamic dumping system, which I still haven't figured out yet, but nonetheless, let's look at the contract on TronScan to see how it's been going. So their balance is 1,860,011.13, and that's equivalent to $165,888.41. To date, they've had 5,514 transactions, and they launched in July, so just under a month ago. And so looks like they have a little over 1,000 users. And this is just a recap of what our performance has been in the contract. So right now, we have 1,747.26 available to be withdrawn. 996.64 of that is from referrals. And let's see exactly what that's from. So 4 people on level 1, 2 people on level 2, and then 1 referral each on levels 3, 4, and 5. And you can see we weren't doing withdrawals and redeposits every day. So there's been about 10 days. This one was 4 or 5 days, and then this one is 10 days. So we're going to go ahead and do a withdrawal today. And then, as I said before, with Tronmoon, they have an automatic redeposit of 35% of your withdrawal amount. And this is great. And let's just, okay, we had too many there. Okay, and then you can see right there that our 1,700 minus the 35% went directly to our wallet. And so to date, that means that we've deposited 5,093.77, and the total withdrawn has been 13,982.21 TRX. So we're doing pretty good. We're going to check back in with this specific contract probably in about a week and see where it stands and check the health of the smart contract. And remember, if you belong to the YouTube channel and the Facebook page, please let us know. I'd be happy to share your referral link so that you can share in some of the referral income that's coming in. Happy to share with anyone that is supporting the channel. Also, remember to not invest more than you can afford to lose, and happy investing. See you next time.